Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Now you see the red box with the gold Jumpman on it. Now this box have like a matte finish, something like on Air Jordan 32s. You know what I'm saying? Now as we look around the box, you see the Levi logo in gold. Y'all already know what this is, man. Y'all have already seen them, so here it is. The Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG with the denim colorway. You know what I'm saying? So here it is. We open the box. We got that plain, that matte finish on the top of the box. It comes with this card. I'm not going to actually read it to you. You can pause it and read it for yourself if you haven't already read it, but you know what it is. Got that, something like that matte finish. You know, they tried to keep that theme going on. Now, as we look at the paper, you see you got the Levi Strauss logo. Levi Strauss and Company, Jordan. But enough of that. Here it is, the Air Jordan 4 Levi's. As you can see, you got that Jumpman Levi type hang tag with the Levi Strauss tag on the other side. Hey, yo, man, look, this is one of my favorite drops of the year, man. I ain't even gonna lie. You can see on this left foot, you got like that Levi tag with the actual size on it and the model of the shoe, just like the jeans have, you know what I'm saying? On the inside, you got that upside down Air Jordan with the red Levi tag on it. Pretty dope. Man, look, I ain't lying. I'm feeling these, man. You see the inside, you got the Levi logo on the inside of this one. And that finish on the inside of the shoe is like the inside of a pair of jeans, you know what I'm saying? When you look on the inside of a pair of jeans, you already know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, look, there's the air bubble with the cutouts from the jeans. You got the Jumpman on the back. You got that gold stitching. I mean, man, this is a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling these, man. Like I say, this might be one of my favorites. Might be the favorite for me for this year, you know what I'm saying? So I got to see what else how 2018 gonna shape up and see what's happening before I could give it this claim. But you can see those denim laces on it. I mean, man, look. They look 1,000% better on feet to me. You know what I'm saying? Now, when you look at this shoe, you see you got the Levi tag right here. The other one don't have that on it. You know what I'm saying? Everything else on the shoe is pretty much the same, except this one here has Levi on the inside, and this right foot has the Jumpman logo on the inside. As you can see on the back, the inside of the tongue, both of them have the Air Jordan upside down tag with the Levi's tag on it. Hey, man, look. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna do an on feet with these too, man. But you know what I mean? It's a dope shoe. I know a lot of y'all done seen it already or whatever. But that don't mean I can't do the video. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so let me know in the comments, man, what you think. Let me know if you was able to cop them or whatever. If you like them, you're not, you passed, you took an L, whatever the case is. Now looking at the shoe, man, a little closer, like you can see the detail that went into this shoe, man. Like this is a hot shoe. Now they're supposed to have a black pair coming out, and just from the picture that I saw, they don't compare to these. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, to each his own. We'll have to see. You know what else they could do with the black ones, but right now it's all about the blue. And this is a sick shoe. You know what I'm saying? At least in my opinion. You feel me? Now, as we look around the shoe, man, you can see both of them They're pretty much identical, besides one has that Levi tag on it. And on the inside, one has the Levi logo, and the other one has the Jumpman logo. So, yeah, man, look, that was pretty much it. That was my little look at it. You know, and like I said, man, y'all let me know in the comments if you're feeling them. If not, hit like, subscribe, share. I know I've been gone for a minute. I've been taking care of business, you know what I'm saying? A lot of things been going on. And YouTube then came with this foolishness about, you know, the new little thing they got going on for the smaller channels, which was really like a kick in the ass. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. Can't let them stop the grind. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, look, here's a few shots of the kicks. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I know a lot of people wanted these. A lot of people did get them. Oh yeah, and I saw a lot of cats on Instagram, man. They doing them up, they bleaching them and dyeing them and painting on them, and I saw a couple of dope ones too, man. You know, I just can't do it. But to each his own. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, look, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv and the Sneaker Peddler. You know what I'm saying? And stay tuned for that On Foot too, man. But thank y'all, man. I'ma holler back.